everyone. So in my last chapter of 5 senses in our old book, there was no experiment of touch, but here's the experiment of touch. So we will do touch sense in last. So today's chapter is the 5 senses. The 5 senses help us look around whatever is around us. So let's start with our eyes. Our eyes help us see. So here is the eyeball. And in the center you see this red. It's the pupil. And the eyeball looks like a pink ball. But it's not in reality. So these thin, flat lines which are near the pupil, those help. If these lines go near, then the light will get smaller. If light is going inside your eyes, and then these lines go take the lights and then make it enough for your eyes, not too shiny to harm your eyes. So they start regulating the light, and then they pull each other towards another line, and then the light gets smaller and bigger. So if you see somebody, then your eyes will send a message to your brain that it's your friend. If your brain don't know, then the parts of your brain will help recognize is it your friend or not. Then the parts of your brain tell that it's your friend. Then the movement parts say that move. They send a message to the brain, and the brain says lips move. And then the lips make a smile to show that you are happy. So friends, second sense is the taste sense. So the taste buds on your tongue help taste different things, like whether it's sweet or bitter or sour or salty. So the taste buds also help whether things are spicy or bitter or sweet. So as you can see on the tongue, if you look closer on the tongue from inside, this is how the taste bud looks from inside. And if there was no taste buds on your tongue, then you couldn't taste anything. That's why God has given you taste buds. So friends, the third sense is smell. So your nose helps smell different things. And when you smell something, when you smell something, the nose sends a signal to your brain that it smells good, like you are smelling a flower. So your nose also helps. Imagine that you have come from school and then you smell aroma of food. You go to the kitchen and say, Mama, what are you making? That's the job of our nose. So next sense is hair. See, our ear, inside our ear, there is our eardrum. And our eardrum help us hear. In noisy places, people who do noisy things have to protect themselves. So they wear some protectors to protect their ears. Imagine that you are in your home looking outside from your window. Then you suddenly heard a loud noise and then it was damaging your eardrum. That's why you said, Mama, give me some protectors for my ears. Something is damaging my ears. That's why these people who make noisy sounds, they have to protect their ears. So, next sense is our touch, our skin. So, when you touch something, your touch sense helps you feel things, whether it's hot or cold or smooth or rough or soft or hot. So here's one experiment. Here under your skin there are some lines which are nerves. They send a signal to your brain. So here's an experiment for you friends. Feel the thing. See, here are some lines and then you have to put your finger through it. Can you feel it, friends? It's bumpy. So that's how I recognize. My touch sense, the nerves send a message to my brain that it's bumpy. So also your touch sense helps also your senses help feel whether you are having a stomach ache. So friends, this is the last experiment for you. It's very easy. Put a pack of things in a bag like leaves, teddy bear and some branches and banana and toothbrush. Whoever has toothbrush, you can put it. And this cube and this button. And then you close your eyes and put your hand inside the bag and you have to feel what is there. What you have to feel, what is it? Do it feels rough or soft? You have to feel that. So that's the experiment. If you don't know how to do it, then ask your mom for help. Bye friends. Hope you